What's going on, guys? Mr. Crazy1870 giving you guys a quick audio and video test using the brand new BlackBerry PlayBook. Now, I'm recording with the front-facing camera, which it is recording at 1080p, but it also does record at 480 and 720p. So I finally got the PlayBook all set up and ready to go. Now, I was really having a hard time setting it up. It wasn't letting me agree to the BlackBerry ID's terms and conditions. So what I had to do is I had to set it up. I had to hook it up to a PC and update the BlackBerry PlayBook. Now that update let me bypass the terms and condition, and now I can go ahead and actually play with the BlackBerry PlayBook's OS. So other than that, this is recording at 1080p. Now I'm gonna go ahead and head outside and test out the back camera. Alright guys, so I'm out here. I'm using the rear camera, which it is recording at 1080p. And I'm actually at a cool little spot out here by the house. We're actually out here blasting. Now there's actually a pistol range where local cops come over here and sort of practice on their shooting. We got one over there. Sounds like a 9. Now the rear camera also records at 480, 720p, and 1080p as well, which obviously it is real cool. I believe it's going to be way better quality than the iPad 2. Yeah, one of the cops that is about to leave. Any more shooting down there? I guess not. Alright guys, so that was just a quick video using the BlackBerry PlayBook, just sort of showing off, giving you guys a quick demo of the video and audio quality on the BlackBerry PlayBook. Now I'm going to go ahead and upload this to YouTube. Go ahead and drop me a comment down below, letting me know what you guys think about the audio and video quality. Don't forget to check out my 2 latest videos, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Late.